Yeah, the recording process. A very good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the second chapter of your subject health education. In the related class of health education that you know already, basically before starting this chapter, I would like to remember the same thing about the health and physical education about the first exercise, first chapter and the exercise. I hope you all the students have been completed the uh, homework assignment, and we are today we are going to discuss about the second second chapter, personal health, and of course I will share the screen. This is the screen where that I have already shared you. Okay, in my screen, I have already stored the program of class 6 health. The chapter is second. Okay, in the chapter, we can discuss about the personal health. Okay, my dear students, personal health. You know the very important topics is going to read with us. Okay, personal health. You know the personal health means our personal body indicates personal health. how can we how can we develop our health in good condition? That's because our mentality, our speaking power, our heartbeat, our motions, our structure of the body, our smartness, everything is related to the personal health. It is means our personal body. So that's because in this related chapter, it has been written here personal health. What is called personal health? We have to discuss today what is called personal health. Okay, so if you place here if you do lots of work in the related environment, then we can utilize the different types of related thing also. So let's discuss here about the personal health. It has about the introduction, it has been written here. Personal health is a set of practices performed by a person to live a healthy life. Personal health is a set of practice. Every day we are practicing for our work, for our different types of extraordinary exercise, for our mentally exercise. When we are reading such types of any types of document, any types of book, it means that type of exercise is related to the personal uh, health and the exercise. Okay, it has been written here. Personal health is a set of practices performed by a person to live a healthy life. Hygiene is the branch of science that deal with the study of healthy way of living. How how can we how can we change the bad habits into the good habits? This is called the this is the related things of the personal health, and that is the important part of our life. It has been written here hygiene. You know the hygiene, what is called hygiene? It has been written here hygiene. It means it consists of cleanliness and healthy habits: washing hands with soap and water, brushing teeth twice a day, sleeping on time, having rest satisfactory, eating meals on time, and not eating junk food, etc. are the concern of personal health. For your kind information, I would like to remember you one more time. My dear student, personal health belongs the different types of practices. What type of practices? That we are doing every day. Brushing, we are doing every day. Brushing twice a day, we are doing every day. Sleeping on time, it's a good for health. Having rest, satisfactory. If we sleep on time, we can get up in the morning as very fast, because in the morning time, our mind, our thought is very strong. That's because those students are get up in the morning and they will do exercise a little bit, physical exercise. Then their mental thinking, their physical structure, their smartness, is very very attractive than the other person. So it is known as the personal health. How can we change our life into the good life? That is the important part of our life, and every activity is under the practices. So that's because it has been written here, personal health is a set of practices performed by a person to live a healthy life. How can we move into the healthy life without using any types of unwanted things like cigarette, smoking related things, tobacco, any types of unwanted drugs, any types of unwanted drinking, alcohols, everything. The unwanted things we do not take, because that type of related things is very dangerous for our health. It will infect in our lungs, in our kidney, in our heart, and in our mind also. So without any types of disturbance, if we developed our health, that is known as your good health and personal health. I would like to add one more thing, that you know already, personal health is a very formal way that indicates the good health. And in the good health, there is the such types of speech also. There is the such types of speech that you know already. Health is wealth. If we don't have health, if our mind is not thinking like a sharp, if our body is not giving us the support for the different types of work or activity, if we cannot involve in different types of related program because of the health, it means your personal health is very weak. So everything is depend on our practices. If we are going to aggressive to improve our life in a healthy life, it can be written here, rules of health. How can we how can we change a good how can we change a good thing, a good healthy life uh, in our related family? It has been written here, we should take balanced diet. That you know already, balanced diet, it means all these types of food, those are available in our family, that we can utilize as per the proper guidance of the guardian, our parents will recollect different types of green vegetable, different types of fruit, different types of related thing for the food. So if we are using the balanced diet, then our mentality, our physical, our every organs of the body is going to develop very good condition, in very good condition. So we need to take the balanced diet. It has been written here, we should take balanced diet. We need to clean our hair regularly. We need to trim our nail timely. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. We have to sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Do regular exercise in the morning. We need to wash our hands regularly. We need to brush our teeth twice a day. We need to wash our hands regularly. We need to clean our nail timely. We have to sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Do regular exercise in the morning. We need to wash our hands regularly. We need to clean our nail timely. We have to sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a
सर को
day.
यूट्यूब चैनल
Do
से
Sir,
regular
your
exercise in the
microphone is off.
morning. We need to wash our hands regularly. We have
सर
to
को
sleep
यूट्यूब
at
चैनल
least
से
6
यूट्यूब
to
चैनल
8
में
hours a
रिकॉर्डिंग
day.
कर
Okay.
Sir, your sound is not
Not okay now. Okay now.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So one more time, I would like to tell you, it's the rules of our health. We should take balanced diet. We need to clean our health regularly. We need to trim our nail timely. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. We have to sleep at 6 to 8 hours a day. Do regular exercise in the morning. We need to wash our hands with soap and clean water before and after meal, and each time to we go to bathroom. It means it's all these given points is the better instructions for a healthy life. So it is known as the personal health. Okay. Another thing, There is the another thing, care of our body. How can we care of our body? It has been written here. Our health is determined by various factors like food habits, sanitation, proper rest and sleep, regular exercise, personal lifestyle. Hence, we need to follow different measures to keep our body healthy. It means how can we care our health? This is our this is our personal property. If we do not save the property, it means you cannot. Yes, you cannot accept the many more things from the society. If our body is not giving the good support for the work, if our body is not giving the good functionality of the thinking related work, then we cannot rise in the society. So it is the better thing, how can we care of our body? Our health is determined by various factors like food habits. That food habits is the major part of our life. The balanced diet, it means the balanced diet. Food habits, what type of foods you are aggressive to take every day, it's depend on our habits. So in our personal health, it has been written here already. We do not we do not take, hello my dear friends, listen carefully. We do not take any types of unwanted food.
What is meant by
Sorry.
sanitation?
Okay, sanitation means that already. In the morning time, in the evening time, we are going to utilize, we are going to waste of the uh, waste of the that already, it is known as the dung of the people. Okay, just like a it's a that you can say the ice cream like. Okay. So it's a type of sanitation means when you are using the toilets, when you are when we are uh, destroy such types of urine, so it is known as the sanitation, where you don't where you destroy such types of unwanted thing. This is called the sanitation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so it has been written here, care of our body, our health is determined by various factors like food habits. Your habits, I have already tell you, your habits is best guide of way to develop the body in good condition. Which food you want to choose most? You like most? Which food? Of course, we choose the general item from the family. Our family is giving us every day. That type of food is. It means the energy related food is the better for our habits. So we do not want to take another more thing, the hygienic food like chow chow, any types of snacks items. It's a very dangerous things. So don't utilize the chow chow. Such types of snacks item is dangerous for our body. If you change the habits, it will determine the good habit. It will determine the good health also. Sanitations, proper rest and sleep, regular exercise, personal lifestyle, etc. Hence, we need to follow the different measures. Everything is the related types of the body. Next one is the care of hair. It is the basic thing that already. If we trim hair on time, our looks, our smartness is showing us just like a gentleman. So it's better to care of our hair also. We are not a like a other people. We better to show our personality just like a good civilian, good students, a good leader also. So our hair can identify, our hair will identify the character of the person. So it's very important thing. It has been written here. Here is the natural ornaments of a person. It is the important because it serves a protective layer of the skin. In our
Sir.
in our school area. Yes, tell me.
Sir, what is means by ornament?
Okay. What is your name?
Sir, Swarup.
Sorry,
Sir, Swarup.
Swarup.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Swarup. Let me tell you, ornaments means you know the jewelry.
Gold. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Jewelry is the part of our ornaments, right? This is very
Yes, sir.
expensive. This is very valuable for
Yes, sir.
our life. Just like that, that hair is just like ornaments. If you don't have hair, you are called bald. Okay, so it's a ornament of a person. Are you getting me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. It has been written here is the natural ornaments of the person. It is important because it serves as protective layers of the skin. It helps our head and internal organs. Helps to protect light of the sun. It protects from dust and other particles so that they do not enter the body. It means this all are the defense of the hair. That is very important. Unnecessary use of harmful chemicals and color or paint are harmful to hair. You know, in our community there is such types of people, such types of funny students are also available. Those who are using different types of color, that side cheek or different types of related hairstyles. So that type of related things, that type of related chemicals, the color is giving the a different identification. So it is not the good thing. So it has been written here, unnecessary use of harmful chemicals and color or paint are harmful to hair. Dirty hair provides a space of lice. You know lice? Sometimes we are itching very hardly because of the
Yes,
lice.
sir.
Yes,
Jumra.
Jumra, yes, it is the lice one. It has been written here, dirty hair provide a space of lice to breed. Lice bite on the head may invite a disease called typhus. Typhus is the name of the disease by the due to the due to the carelessness of our own activity. If we are not washing our hair every day, it means if you are not if we are not bathing regularly, if you are not using the related types of good oil for the development of our hair, then that type of lice will develop in our related scapula area. This is known as the scapula area. In the scapula, such types of lice will develop automatically if there is a dirty place, if there is a dirty then, and that type of dirty place, there is the lice. That lice will invite a disease. That disease is known as typhus. Okay. Healthy hair gives good personality. We should not share articles like comb, hair, band, clips, cap, hats, etc. with others. We all are learners. We all are the students. And let me tell you, my dear students, sometime this is the that is the very good or bad you can imagine. Basically, if your personal, if there is your personal relatives, your neighbors, your cousin, your family, very close family close relationship, if someone is coming outside from your family, you are giving the access, allow to utilize your comb, your oil, your towel, your everything. But I would like to remember, my dear friend, this is the very bad habits. Let me tell you, personal belonging materials, personal belongings, everything we do not want to share to other family. No matter it's my mama family, it's my uncle family, we do not share the personal belonging things like your comb, your hair, your nail cutter, your soap, your every related personal, your doll, right, everything, etc. So we should not share articles like comb, hair band, clip, cap, hats, etc. with others. It's a against of the here against of our health improvement. So it is the important. It has been written here. How can we utilize such types of related things? How can we care? We should take bath regularly. We should cut and trim hair regularly. We should dry hair using a soft towel. We should use natural oil before combing the hair. We should be applied to hair before combing and after bathing. We should consume balanced diet to keep our hair healthy and strong. We should use quality shampoo and conditioner according to the nature of your hair. It's all are the major thing that can protect of our ornament, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next thing, I'm going to change the next thing here. Care of face. Everything is depend on our personal health. So that's because it has written here. Care of face. Our structure. How can we care? If we get up in the morning, our looks like a very angry person, right? But after freshing of the water, after using of the water, after using such types of soap, if we clear the area, then we looks like a gentleman. It's because it is the care of face. Face is important part of our body. Other people will look you. Other people will watch you by the look of your smartness. And smartness is always so in our face. Face is an important part of our body. Our face consists of different organs like eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. Usually, face is not covered by any clothes. Dust and dirty easily encounter our facial skin. That's because is the if in our surrounding area there is the place when you are moving in the way of the Gadura, a type of rumble is moving on the air, and our face is already absorbing such types of related dust particles. So it has been written here, dust and dirty easily encounter of facial skin. So we should wash our face daily with clean water and soap. It removes the dust particles from our facial skin. Face becomes dirty due to sweating also. Sometimes the sweating. Yes, we must wipe up. We must wipe our face with clean and soft towel after washing it. It's a related thing. That's because we can utilize our handkerchief time to time. When you are going to purchase such types of goods, such types of important thing in the market, after the returning in your home, we better to utilize the same activity. It means we better to clear the face by using fresh water and soap. It's a thing that is the very important for our care of our face, structure of our face. We for care of our face, it has been written here, we should wash our face daily with a soap and water. We should wash our face after playing games. We can use sunscreen cream and other required medicines to protect facial skin. We should take proper rest and sleep. We should take a balanced diet. Use of state drinking water. Use of state drinking water. It has been written here. Water is important elements of our body. We know that our body needs state drinking water for our good health. Our body constitutes about 60 to 70% of
Are
water.
safe, state not.
Okay, yeah, it has been needs state drinking water for our good health. Our body consists about 60 to 70% of water, right? Okay, so water is essential for digestion of food and blood circulation and also the flush toxins from our body. Let me describe here why the water is important for our life, for our personal body, for our activity of every organs. Because it has been already written here. Our body constitutes about 60 to 70%. If my weight is 70 kg, it means there is 60 to 70% water is available in our body. So it has been written here 60 to 70% of water. Water is essential for digestion of food and blood circulation and also to flush toxins from our body. What is called toxins? You know the toxins? Hello, my dear student. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you about
Yes,
the.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all. It has been written here. Flush toxins from our body. Toxins means sometime we are eating different types of hygienic food also. Sometimes we are eating meat. Sometimes we are eating different types of those who are using the alcohols, those who are using the tobacco, those who are using the smoking related substances, their body will discharge some types of toxins also. That toxins means poisonous substances, toxins from our body. Water can help us to circulate. Water can help us to circulate and digest the such types of toxins from our body with the help of the water. It also helps to balancing body temperature, carrying oxygen and nutrients to cell and excretion of our waste products from the body. We need to drink 2 to 3 liters water per day. Water can be purified by boiling and filtration. These all are the basic thing that we can utilize for the safe drinking water, right? The next
Sir.
one,
Yes, sir.
okay, the next one, how to manage our safe drinking water in our family, in our basically in the rural area, in the backside that you can say, our hand pipe is already giving different types of water. Is that every hand pipe is giving pure water? Exactly not.
Sir.
That's because management for a safe drinking water, we better to utilize these types of related things. It has been written here. We should store water in a clean pots. We should filter drinking water properly. If your
Sir.
hand pipe if your hand pipe related water is showing too much junk, then we better to utilize the filter for the filtration of the water. We should boil
Yes,
water
sir.
at least 5 to 10 minutes. We should always drink pure, clean and safe drinking water. We can also apply SODIS technology to purify drinking water. This is the major thing for the water that can help us to protect different types of related unwanted disease. Last one is the we have only 8 minutes, we are going to do fastly here. Rest and sleep. You know, the rest and sleep is very important part of our life. If we are not taking rest properly, if our eyes if our eye is not resting on time to time, if you are not blinking, if you are watching the movie, if you are watching mobile, if you are moving watching your laptop, if our eyes is not blinking time to time, it means we gonna pain by the activity, that type of activity or negligence. This is the totally negligence of our habits. If we are watching any types of a screen, we better to blinking our eyes more than 5 to 3 to 5 times within 2 to 5 seconds. Sorry. So it has been written here, rest and important rest and important for our body. We need adequate rest because the tired organs and system regain strength with it. Rest will make our mind fresh, refresh. We need to rest after walk and play. Our body gets complete rest from sleep. Adequate rest and sleep is necessary to get rid of fatigue, tiredness, and stress. It means when we are taking the rest, our mentality, our mind, our body is always under the deep of the rest. And after the rest, we feel very freshness. Our mind, our body temperature, our every activity of organs is fit and fine. That's because it has been written here. If you are taking rest on time, if you are taking the good habits, if you are utilizing your good habits like yeah, that you know already, within 24 hours, 16 hours for the study, 8 to 6 hours for the rest, 1 hour for exercise, 1 hour for the different types of recreational activity, to watching movies, to play different types of game, that type of activity. It has been written here. Fatigue, tiredness, and stress is also the part of the rest and sleep. If you do not rest and sleep on time, fatigue, we are feeling so tired. It is known as fatigue, tiredness. We feel not powerful than the past. So it is known as fatigue. Tiredness and stress, our mind will not compare in a good condition. That's because known as stress. We are feeling, oh, my mind is hanged today. I cannot concentrate. That is known as stress. We get tired after the full day's work at the end of the day. However, we will tell we feel fresh in the next morning again. This is all the because we get sufficient rest from the good night's sleep. Generally, 6 to 8 hours sleep in a day insufficient and adult, but the children need more sleep than adults since their body work and grow faster than the adult. If we do not sleep adequately, we cannot think and concentrate properly. It has been written here, right? So it's all are the major thing of the related part of the program. This chapter. Next thing, next thing is physical exercise. You know, the physical exercise is also the important part of our life that can help us to decorate six pack, right? Our arms, our six packs will improve after the regular exercise, after the physical exercise. Sometimes there are two types of exercise. I think there are two types of exercise. One exercise we can do, we can take from that side when we are playing kabaddi, when we are playing cricket, when we are playing the football games, that type of exercise. And another exercise that we can utilize in our home by using the mental exercise. That mental exercise, the sharpness we can increase day by day, we can increase our IQ. It has been written here, regular physical exercise. Physical exercise is also equally essential to our body. It keeps our body fit, fine, healthy, and wealthy. It makes our muscles healthier and stronger. It helps to strengthen immunity systems and prevent like disease like diabetes, obesity, depression, heart disease, hypertension, insomnia, etc. Now these days, the government of our country has announced to the civilian, please increase your immunity power. Why is that so? Because of the viruses, because of the infection of the COVID-19. If our immunity power is not increased, it means we are going to haunt by the viruses. So we better to utilize the regular physical exercise against protect from the different types of viruses, different types of bacteria. Are you getting me, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, then the next one is advantage of exercise. It has been written here. Helps to keep us fit and fine. Helps to promote mental health. Helps to control body weight. Helps to helps to acquire quality of life. Helps to strengthen immune systems. Helps to make our muscles healthier and stronger. So this is too much for today because we have to assign the homework also. And I hope, my dear student, you all are here in the related chapter and about the personal health, that you can develop the immunity power by the using different types of suggestions which is provided in our book. Okay, so for today homework, I'm going to type in the screen. Okay, that you better to utilize the screen. You better to write in your copy. I'm going to write here your, okay, I'm going to write here your exercise, your homework. What is hygiene? What is hygiene? What is hygiene? What is hygiene? Oh, sorry. What is hygiene? Number two, how can we care of our hair? How can you care of your hair? Number three, do you take bath regularly? Why? Number four, why is personal hygiene important to us? This is the homework for today. And of course, my dear student, is all are the related thing. And I would like to request you, my dear student, this video has been recorded, and I'm, of course, I will share the link of the video in the YouTube. Please like and subscribe. That's because if you do like and subscribe, so you will get the more and more video that we are preparing here in my computer. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
it's time to go now. So go now.
Yes, sir.
So have a good
Yes,
day.
sir.
Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you all.
Bye bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye.